Welcome. This is a final video to fix control lag in Clair Obscur Expedition 33 on PC. And if you're tired of your buttons responding late or your character moving slowly, you're not alone. This lag happens because the game struggles to sync input signals properly with some PC setups. And most solutions online are long, confusing, or need extra software. But here on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works instantly to make your controller feel smooth again. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks without messing with system files or drivers. So if you want to break it down step by step, comment below and I'll make a full guide just for you.